I'm cooking for you. You want some ginger done?
What is that? What is that?
Ginger mouth.
Ginger garlic.
Ginger garlic. Hi Dad, I'm cooking for you some lunch.
Oh, what is cooking? What is Shamika cooking?
Sambul.
Oh, no, it's pulao. What are you
Pulao.
making?
Pulao.
Pulao no, re baba. Pulao.
Pulao.
Pulao. All right. Okay.
Like
So what did we put in the pulao already?
onion.
What? What did
And-
you put?
Onion and tomato.
No, tomatoes we are yet to put. What we put?
Onion.
Oil,
Oil.
little butter,
Butter ghee.
not ghee. Oil and little butter.
And then
Then we put jeera
jeera.
and we put some onions
Onion.
and a couple of chili
Chili.
and now and ginger garlic paste.
Okay, now we put tomato.
Now we'll put tomatoes. Yeah. Shall we put the tomatoes?
Yes, mommy.
All right.
Use the knife.
Will you stir it for me? Okay. So we are putting all the tomatoes in. There you go. Okay, stir them up. Stir it. Stir the tomatoes. Very good.
It will become money now. We have to cut it off. Imagine boy.
Okay. So now so tomatoes are getting mushy. After this, what are we gonna add?
Carrot and that.
What's that?
Meat pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Green bell pepper.
Green bell pepper.
Or capsicum. You can say capsicum.
Capsicum. And this is orange. Orange carrot.
Alright. What are you adding?
Carrot and bell.
Okay, add. Okay. So first we are adding only the carrots. We'll saute it a bit and then we will go on to add the last ingredient or last vegetable, which is bell pepper. Alright? Please. Okay. Alright. So here we will saute it a bit and we'll add some salt. Okay, now we are adding some salt. Add it, Cheeni. Good girl. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now we are gonna start putting in the last vegetable, which is bell peppers. Okay, we had only green, so we are just using that. You can use any color, the red and the yellow ones too.
And green color.
Yeah, we are using green color because we had only green and we didn't have many vegetables left, so we have added limited. However, you can go ahead and add as many veggies you wish to.
Oh, tiny powder.
So Cheeni is adding in all the bell peppers. All right. Leave the knife aside. Just collect it in one. Fist. Collect it. Okay. Collect it together. Put it all together.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is cooked very well. So shall we add these?
Yes.
What are these?
Green.
What are these?
Green.
Corn.
Corn. Then I put.
It's little okay. We put, but it's little hot. So yeah, let's put it.
Yes.
Cheeni is giving a quick stir on it. Okay, so corn we have added because corn is a very corn gives a very yummy
Yes.
crunchy taste to your pulao. It's basically tawa pulav. So that's the reason we have initially added a little butter to it, or else the tawa pulav has to be made with um, butter, a little butter needs to be added, otherwise it will not give that kind of finishing. Right, Miss Shamika Parker?
Yes.
Yes. So who all are going to eat this pulao that you're making?
For Dada
Mm.
and for Didi.
Dada and Didi.
Yes.
And what about Mama?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, and what about you?
Me.
Yeah. Okay. Say it together, no then.
Everybody has.
Okay, great.
Now you're gonna have seasoning.
Seasoning. So what we will start with, salt you have already added a lot. You don't need to add more. Okay. It feels like you're obsessed with salt. Anyway, so let's add the seasoning.
We only have all the masalas.
Okay. So Cheeni, what all we did now?
Put all the masalas.
Yes. So we have added the seasonings.
Yes.
What all we added, baby? We added that yellow powder that is called turmeric,
Yes.
haldi. So we added little red
Color.
chili. Yeah, that's red color is called red chili powder.
And basala.
Yeah, that is coriander, dhania. Okay, coriander powder. All right. So we added these as per, little like a teaspoon or so each. And now, what is the final masala we are adding? The seasoning. It's called. What is it called? It's called pav bhaji masala. Right? Yeah. This pav bhaji masala is very important if you're making tawa pulao, and that's the reason it is. We sauteed with the butter.
Mama,
Yes, baby, I will let you put. Yeah, so now Shamika will be adding the pav bhaji masala. Alright? Alright, keep it now. Done? Okay, so we added a little generous amount of like a 2 spoonfuls of this pav bhaji masala, because that's the main taste which we would want at the end of the recipe. Stirring it well now. Okay, and then we are going to add our, what we are going to add, Cheeni, what we are going to add?
Rice.
Show them. Yeah, these are some cooked basmati rice. You can even make it in normal kolam rice or whatever rice you generally cook, but today I had basmati rice handy, so I'm using the cooked basmati rice.
Yes.
Alright, so okay, so let's add in the rice now.
Yes.
Shamika?
Yes.
Okay.
Open this first.
Yes, open.
Yes.
Okay, Cheeni, you want to add the rice? Hold. Okay. Okay. Slowly add in there. Ooh, good job. Do it again. There you go. Okay. Hold it. Now slowly add in there. Very good. I'm so impressed. Okay, so we have already added in the rice we needed, right?
Rice.
Now we are going to mix. Alright, it's all mixed up now. And this is how it looks. Shamika,
Yes.
would you like to add some more salt? Because we just tasted and the salt seems to be a little less. Would you put the salt? Okay, I think that should be enough. Let's stir it now, okay? Yes, please stir it. You want to do the tasting? Acha, you want mommy to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
It carrot.
Salt looks perfect. So I think we'll saute for a minute and then we will turn off the burner, okay? Alright? Okay. Alright, so we are turning off the burner and the pulao is ready. See? Do you like it?
Yeah, now it's the.
So it's all done. Do I get a high five? And a
Then
low five? And a mid five? Fire. Lime and finish it off. This you can do once you turn off your burner.
done.
Squeeze it, baby. Okay, it's slippery, I know. Yeah, there you go. Here's the final look. We are serving it.
Thank you for watching the video.